The LG B20 is here, and today I'm doing the video with the Samsung Galaxy A02s for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy A02s is now here at Verizon Prepaid as of April 29th. So yeah, this is a new budget phone for Verizon Prepaid. So it's available in black up there, 2 gigabytes of storage, and it's $89.99. Make contracts, of course. So yeah, that's the front and back. The front does look very nice. Specs now are decent. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so they keep it in mind. So there's a front page. Like I said, your teardrop notch with your front-facing camera, power and RAM keys will be on the right side of the phone now. And this front there, like I said, your front-facing camera, power and RAM keys on the right side of the phone now. This left side there. So yeah, the right side there, power and RAM keys. On the back up against the A02s is a triple camera setup, along with the camera flash and your Samsung logo, and it looks like you have like a design on the back there, so that's pretty cool. Nice looking back there, like a pattern and whatnot, so that's pretty cool. There's it back there. So you're pretty nice. The left side, I think has your micro SD and some cuts on the left side of the phone. It's like right here. It's kind of hard to see, but I think your micro SD card and some cut slots right here. I think it is. So yeah. So for $90 you're getting a decent phone. It looks very nice. This is like another bit of the Galaxy A01 from last year. The two phones do look similar, but this has slightly different, slightly improved specs on it. But in my opinion, it looks like the Galaxy A01 from last year. So yeah. So the Galaxy A02s is 2.99 inches in width, 6.56 inches in height there, 18 days of standby time, 46 hours of usage time. You get 13 megapixel main camera on the rear with the f2.2 aperture lens and the camera flash. And I think you get an ultra wide camera and a depth sensor on the back as well. So it's pretty cool. So it says here, meet the Samsung Galaxy A02s, outfitted with standout features like an XDR display, expandable storage, and a versatile multi-camera system. This is one innovative phone in an affordable package. The older battery and reliable performance will fuel you through a long day at the office and well into the night. And with the 6.5-inch Infinity TV display, you can view all the things you love in high def clarity. Get everything you need and more with the Galaxy A02s and Verizon, the network more people rely on, alright? Battery for days. Never fear, long battery life is here. With a 5,000 mAh battery, there's plenty of power to take you through a long day at the office and late night plans with friends. Plus, when you need a quick pick-me-up, fast charging will have you refueled in no time. So it's very nice to have. Big battery, so y'all actually get great battery life on this phone here. Performance that won't let you down. Galaxy A02s, reliable Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, lets you swipe, scroll, and stream with ease. Dependable performance you can count on when you need it. So yeah, it does have a octa-core processor. It's a Snapdragon 450 processor, which the processor is old. It's from 2016, so this processor is about 5 years old now. And yeah, the processor is old as hell. That's the same processor that was in the LG Styler too, so pretty old processor there, but the processor should do decently today. So the processor is old, so you're not getting a new processor. You're getting like a 5-year-old processor in the phone here, because the Snapdragon 450 is old. They don't make Snapdragon 400 series chips anymore, so there you go. I don't know why they stuck a Snapdragon 450 in this one. I don't know why they did, but for nanobox, you really can't expect too much from this one here. Like I said, this is a budget phone, but at least y'all guys could what they could Samsung could at least put like a 600 series processor on there. At least not 450, because it's like 5 years old. So that's like my biggest complaint about the phone is its processor. That's like the main downfall about the phone, in my opinion, is its processor is old as hell. But it is what it is, guys. So it says here, stored all. There's room for all the things you love on the Galaxy A02s. Store your photos, videos, apps, and files with 30 gigabytes of memory. And if you need more, add a microSD card for up to 1 terabyte of additional memory. So take advantage of that. So like I said, you guys do get 3 cameras in the back. You get 13 megapixel main camera, then get an ultra wide camera and a depth sensor lens in the rear. Says here, shoot and share your world. Don't miss another shot with the Galaxy A02s triple lens rear camera setup. Shoot everything from breathtaking vistas to the next birthday bash. Share worthy photos and videos are just a click away, and when you want to get the perfect selfie, the 13 megapixel 5-person camera won't disappoint. So that's pretty nice. Immersive display. Video chat with loved ones or binge watch the hottest shows on the 6.5-inch Infinity edge-to-edge display. See everything in crystal clear clarity and vibrant color on the HD Plus display. So this is a 720p display, HD Plus. So the display should look decent. So not too bad, but the display should look decent. And with the 5,000 mAh battery, y'all guys should get better life in this one. There should be no excuse why y'all can't get like maybe a day or two out of it. But it also depends on how you use your phone as well. So to keep it in mind, so the 720p plus display, 6.5 inches, contemporary design. The distinctive Galaxy A02s has a smooth finish and ergonomic design that makes this phone comfortable in hand no matter how you hold it. So yeah. So like I said, the specs on are decent. This is a budget phone, so keep that in mind. So the Galaxy A02s does have a microSD card. Up to 1 terabyte. So take advantage of that. Hotspot, of course. Facial recognition for your security. So again, there's no fingerprint sensor, but you get facial recognition, so it's very nice. Bluetooth 4.2, Google Assistant, HD plus TT display. So nothing special there. 20x9 aspect ratio, 6.5 inch display, 60 Hz refresh rate, so your standard refresh rates, and nothing special about the refresh rate there. 60 Hz standard. It's available in black, USB Type-C. The Galaxy A02s weighs 6.98 ounces. Dimensions are 0.36 inches depth, 3.99 inches width, and 6.56 inches height. Standby time 18 days, usage time 46 hours, 5,000 mAh battery, so it's pretty nice. So like I said, y'all guys should get great battery life from this phone because it only has a 720p display, so y'all guys should get great battery life from this phone. So yeah, y'all guys do get fast charging, so it's very good. No wireless charging, no power share, of course. Video is 1080p at 30 frames. Rear camera is a 13 megapixel main camera with the f10.2 aperture lens and flash. Front camera says 5 megapixels with 2.2 aperture lens there. So I think the front camera is 5 megapixels, I guess, I don't know. It says 5 here on the spec sheet, but you gotta look in your features list. It says 13 megapixels for the front, so I don't know. Memory 32 gigabytes of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM. That's DDR3 RAM, so it's kind of unfortunate there. I wish it had 3 gigabytes of RAM at least 3 gigs, at least 3. So Yeah, you do get Snapdragon 450 processor, octa-core 1.8 GHz, same processor as you guys will see in the LG Stylo 2, LG Stylo 3. So this processor is old as hell. It's like 5 years old now. So yeah, I don't know why Samsung put a Snapdragon 450 in this phone. Don't know why they did that, but they did. You guys get Wi-Fi in here, Wi-Fi 8, 8.11, ABGN and AC dual band Wi-Fi. It's a world device, global and roaming network, 4G. There is no 5G on board because this is a $90 phone. So the specs in here are decent. It looks it has similar specs to the Galaxy A01, but it has slightly better internals a little bit. So yeah. So if you guys need help with your Verizon Galaxy A02s, Verizon has you covered with that. So say Verizon line support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So take advantage of that. So what comes in the box is a Samsung Galaxy A02s prepaid smartphone, pre-installed SIM card, wall charger, USB-C cable, SIM ejection pin, quick reference guide, terms and conditions. So yeah. So for $90, I mean this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. Specs in here are decent, like I said, it's a nice looking phone, it looks very nice. It looks like the Galaxy A01 or the Galaxy A32, and so it looks like any other recent Samsung budget phone today, so not too bad. The phone does look very nice. It has Android 10 on board, both on UI 2.0, so not too bad. So the Galaxy A01 has newer software than this one. So, because the Galaxy A01 recently got Android 11, but this one has Android 10. So there you go. So for $90, it's not a bad pickup, guys. But there are some cons to this phone, of course. My biggest con is the processor inside the phone, which is a Snapdragon 450 processor. Which that processor is old. It's like 5 years old now. It's like the processor that was used in an LG Stylo 2 and the LG Stylo 3 smartphone. So don't know why Samsung put a 5-year-old processor in this phone. If they would have put like a 600 series in here, that would have been fine as well. But they stuck a 450 in here. That was stupid, and Samsung expect to do that. But Samsung would have stuck a 600 series in there. It would have been it would have been decent, So yeah, but other than that, the specs in here are decent, minus the processor. So yeah, for $90, you really can't, you really can't expect a whole lot. You do get what you pay for here. This will be a great backup phone, a great phone, be a great first phone for a kid or whatever, very nice looking phone, So yeah, guys, so there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A02s, now available at Verizon Prepaid as of April 29th. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys ever ask me all I want, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.